Today we're going to be making healthier Rice Krispies. So these are refined, sugar-free. They are dairy-free, gluten-free. They are protein powder-free as well. So let's get into it. Add maple syrup, vanilla extract, and peanut butter to a bowl and mix well together. Then add hemp hearts and mix. Add Rice Krispies and continue to mix again. This is going to take a little bit of a while and patience, so you just make sure each bit gets wet and scrape the spoon as necessary, and then add to a baking paper lined pan and press down with the back of a spoon until everything is condensed in there really nicely. Now we're going to melt dark chocolate. I do this in the microwave, but you can also do this with a double boiler. Then you're going to pour it over the Rice Krispie base and evenly spread it to each corner of the pan. Now you're going to pop that in the fridge and let it fully set before we take it out and slice it up. So one tip that I did not use myself, but you definitely should, is make sure the knife is warm, so heat it under some hot water before you cut, so it's easy to cut through the hardened chocolate, and that'll stop it from cracking like you can see mine has. And that's all. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It is super delicious and super healthy. Yummy! Very tasty.